What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a very useful tip on Canva, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this is annoying, this make me waste a lot of time and I learned how to fix it and I would like to share with you. Go to your Canva and imagine the following scenario. You need to enter with a frame, just like this. A big frame on your image, just like this. And you're gonna enter with an image over the frame. For example, let me choose something. I think this one is okay. Now I would like to enter with another image into this layout, but not inside this frame, okay? So we're gonna move to elements, search for something, just like this. So I would like to enter with another image. As you can see, I simply can't enter the image. If I drag the image and drop, it's gonna be inside the frame, and I don't want this image to be inside my frame. How to fix it? This is annoying. Click on the frame, then click into these three little dots. As you can see, it's called more. Go to lock and select lock, just like this. Now this frame is locked. I cannot change it, so I can drag my image and drop with no problem. It's gonna be inside the frame. After doing my layout, I'm gonna be able to click into this frame and into this locker icon. I'm gonna click on unlock. Now I'm gonna be able to edit the frame as normal. Simple, right? Very useful, and you can repeat as many times as you need. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out Visualmodo portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.